You are watching CA News channel.
आपकी बात आपके साथ.
Welcome to the monthly edition of Central Academy Ambabadi, Jaipur. I am your host Asmi Ranga
And I am Dharma Sharma. We are here to share the highlights of the exciting events and achievements of Central Academy. Here we go with the top stories that dominated the month January.
Stream selection and counseling session. Marathon was organized by the school for the parents and students of class 10.
The school celebrated 76th Republic Day with patriotic fervor and enthusiasm.
Tiny Tots portrayed their love and gratitude for their loving grandparents in the event Anmol Rishte.
Parents Pride, a fundamental school of Central Academy Ambabadi, hosted a grand gala carnival fun fiesta.
National Girl Child Day was also celebrated under the slogan Central Academy ने ठाना है बेटियों को पढ़ाना है.
School bid a farewell to the students of class 12, batch 24-25.
In the sports category, St. Emin's brought laurel to the school.
Let's get into the details of these stories.
On 11th of January, Marathon, a highly informative and engaging stream selection counseling session was organized at the school for the parents and students of class 10, aimed at guiding them through the critical process of stream selection.
This session was led by Dr. Sanjay Biyani, the motivational speaker, author, entrepreneur, and director of Biyani Group of Colleges. He emphasized how choosing a right academic path can lead to a successful career.
Second speaker of the day, Mr. Binit Binod, an educationist and motivational speaker, began the session by explaining the importance of stream selection, which directly influences the career options available to students in the future.
He also elaborated on how each stream, be it science, commerce, or humanities, offer unique career choices.
ये तिरंगा आन है, ये तिरंगा अभिमान है. On 26th of January, we celebrated 76th Republic Day with great pride and enthusiasm. This day holds great significance as it marks the birth of Indian Republic. The celebration began with unfurling the national flag by our Chief Guest Janendra Kumar Ramka, former Judge Rajasthan High Court.
The second part of the celebration featured vibrant cultural programs that showcased patriotism and national pride.
In conclusion, it was a memorable event that instilled a sense of pride and patriotism in everyone. The well-organized program and enthusiastic participation made the event a grand success.
Grandparents are family's strongest foundation. To honor them, we celebrated Grandparents' Day and Anmol Rishte on 26 January 2025. The little tots of Nursery KG and Prep came up with dazzling performances.
It was a sight to behold as the tiny tots were seen tapping their feet, portraying their love and gratitude for their loving grandparents.
To engage and entertain the grandparents, several interactive games were organized, creating an atmosphere of laughter and bonding.
Finally, Anmol Rishte was a heartfelt tribute to grandparents, highlighting their irreplaceable role in nurturing values, traditions, and unconditional love in their families.
Parents Pride hosted Fun Fiesta, a grand gala carnival on 26th of January.
It was a package of full entertainment with myriad activities, including sumptuous and mouth-watering food to tickle taste buds, stimulating games, fashion show, free health checkups, and many more. The school ground pulsated with scintillating music and lively crowd. Fun Fiesta was a grand success, creating magical, memorable moments with near and dear ones to cherish. We also celebrated National Girl Child Day under the slogan Central Academy ने ठाना है बेटियों को पढ़ाना है. School offered zero admission fees for girl child on enrollment from 25th of January to 31st of January. It was a significant gesture towards empowering girls through education and supporting the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative.
January month culminated with the most heart-touching event, Anmol Yadi.
Yes, the school made a heartfelt farewell to class 12 students, batch 2024-25.
It was a day filled with nostalgia, performances, and celebration as the students cherished their school memories and prepared for new beginnings.
The main highlight of the event was the Battle of Titles, where outstanding students were recognized for their achievements. Students were crowned with special titles. Pratik Dawlani was the head judge as Master Central Academy, and Ekta Kumawat was declared Miss Central
titles were also awarded to the students like Cutest Smile, Master and Most Popular, and Best Attire of the Day, etc.
Token of love and appreciation was given to the students by the teachers.
At the end, students tapped their feet on the DJ beats. Delicious feast was arranged for the students and teachers. It was indeed a fun-filled day for all.
We also wish our seniors all success and happiness ahead. Once a centenarian, always a centenarian. We are thrilled to announce that Anu from class 9 and Tanveer Fatima from class 11 have been selected for the SGFI National Under-19 Girls Volleyball Tournament 2025. It was indeed an outstanding achievement. We wish them good luck for the upcoming competition. We are glad to announce that admission process has begun for the academic session 2025-26 to scale new heights in academics, co-curricular activities, sports and infrastructure. Central Academy stands as symbol of excellence.
That's all for this edition of Central Academy News. Thank you for tuning in to CA News.
Stay connected for more updates. This is Asmi Ranga
And Dharna Sharma signing off.
Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned.
Stay inspired.